Yeah. So I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Lord of Crypto Arbitrage. Yeah. So today I'm here to introduce this broker, to you, and I will leave the link in the description in case you want to join and use the broker and start making money for yourself. The broker name is IUX. Yeah, IUX. Yeah. So when you click on the link in the bio, it will take you to Google for you to do your registration, or you can also go to their go to Play Store and download their app straight. Yeah, so this one I'm using the app. Yeah, so when you open your IUX, yeah, you can start trading. So you can see that we have open trading accounts. So when you click on it, you can see that we have real account, demo account, and it comes with what the leverage and commissions and stuff. Yeah, so the standard one spread from 0.2 pips, and the maximum leverage is what 3,000, and the minimum deposit is what $50. So let me go in for the standard one. So we have try demo or real account. So if you are new and you want to try the demo, you can click on try demo. But if you want to go in and you know much about trading, you can go to the real account. The real account here. Then this one, like you create your account, set your leverage here, yeah, and after that, your trading password, and what it will be created for you. So here you set your leverage, let's say 1:1. Your trading password, that one I'm not sure I've created a trading password yet. I'm not sure, but you let me try. Password and include at least one and special letter. Okay. So I'm showing you. So you can see that I've gotten the message. Your real trading account is now active, right? So here, there's a congratulations. You have successfully created a trading account. Yeah, account number and everything over here. So if you click on deposit now here you can deposit through crypto, KSP, Ubank, or transit. So since I'm a crypto type, I'll search crypto here, and I'll choose USDT TRX. So it will take you to the checkpoint, checkout, Queens by. Then you copy the address here. Then you go to your crypto wallet and you do your deposit, and you see that it will reflect in your account here, because this was a new account. When I deposit, it will reflect here. So when it reflects here, I can go to market here to start trading. So over here, you can trade Forex, you can trade crypto, you can trade metals, you can trade indices, and you can also trade stocks. They are all in. You can trade stocks, indices, metals, crypto, and stuff. You can trade them. So if I want to trade BTC USD, I click on BTC USD like this. The charts will open for me. So if I want to go sell, I click on sell. I set my lot size, and I set my stop loss, and I set my take profit, and what I initiate the trade. If you don't know how to set stop loss, take profit, all that, I will do a video to explain all these things. So this is how you use this one to trade. You can trade your Forex over here. They mostly, this broker is for Forex traders. Yeah. So can choose your pairs, and what you trade the pairs. Is that thing? And it's very simple. It sets a good little the loss size. The higher the loss size, the higher the profit and the higher the losses. So if you set low loss size, that means you're making low profit and low losses. So it depends on your capital. Then you set your loss size, and then take profit and stop loss too. Stop loss too. That means that, like, if the market hits that stop loss, it will take you out from from the market, and the take profit too. If the market hit that take profit, you will take your profit and you're out of the market. Simple like that. Yeah. So, and they also have affiliate program also here. Yeah, so I'll also leave the affiliate program in the description. When you click on it, you register and stuff. So the more you invite people to also trade with you, the more to you be getting commission out of it. I just received this, and I'll be doing more videos about it. So just stay tuned and watch